I'm Dr. Pavani from Telangana. I worked as an obstetrician in our hospital, which is Narsingi Hospital, and I have joined this Basic Infertility Course in the Milann in Bangalore. I am very much happy to share with you my experiences, what we have, because previously I had many queries while I was treating my patients. I had many discussions in this class. This is not only infertility about theory, but also we had many practical discussions, one-to-one discussions. Even we have observed many cases. We have dealt with many cases. I thank Milann and entire team. It is a very good platform for the obstetricians who are trying to especially practice infertility. I hope this is a very good chance for me to practice with my patients. And thank you, Milann. Thank you for all the lecturers and for every team. I thank everyone. Thank you.